moving further. Now, substitution in definite integral. Substitution in definite integral. Substitution in a definite integral. As in definite integral, by substitution method we can find the integral. Similarly, in definite integration, method is same as in definite integration. After finding an integral as in definite integral, at last put limits. Now see, integration f of phi x phi dash x dx a to b. Take phi x equal to t, then differentiate it, then phi dash x dx equal to dt. Also limit change, because we change variable, then limit is also change. Limit is also change. So put lower limit, then phi a is equal to x lower limit, then t equal to phi a, and put upper limit phi b. So this, after substitution, this integral is come out phi a to phi b f of t dt. So number first point, change in variable t in place of x. Number second, change in differential, that is in dx. Number third, change in limit. जब आप निश्चित समाकलन में प्रतिस्थापन करते हैं, तो जैसे कि हम लोगों ने पहले भी अनिश्चित समाकलन में प्रतिस्थापन द्वारा समाकलन किया था, वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी हम लोग करेंगे। इसमें एक वेरिएबल से दूसरे वेरिएबल में जब चेंज करते हैं तो लिमिट भी चेंज होती है, तो इस हिसाब से होता है। आगे बढ़ते हैं, सम एग्जाम्पल्स। एग्जाम्पल्स नंबर 1, इंटीग्रेशन 1 to 3 cos log x upon x dx. Now let log x equal to t, differentiate it, then 1 upon x dx equal to dt. As x tending to 1, then t equal to log 1 equal to 0. As x tending to 3, t equal to log 3. So integration 1 to 3 after substitution, integration cos log x upon x dx equal 0 to log 3 cos t dt. It means sin t 0 to log 3 with property of basic property or fundamental property. Apply upper limit. Firstly, sin with the place of in the place of t sin log 3 माइनस साइन लोअर लिमिट पुट करेंगे, फिर हमने साइन 0 देन साइन लॉग 3. So hope you will understand the concept of substitution in definite integral and geometrical representation of geometrical meaning of definite integration. So thank you.